Alright, so checking up on this job that we're doing. Did a bunch of work here a couple years ago. Now we're back adding on to it. Check it out.
Hey there.
Alright, so like I said, we're adding on to this job. Show you some footage and some clips what this used to look like and when we were building it right here.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Now, on to the new stuff. This whole kitchen fireplace, outdoor kitchen area, a little bit of that patio, massive fireplace, gorgeous. Was done a few years ago. Now we're adding lighting to the property as well as a walkway from the house down to the office. Some of the late great Mac Miller in the house today. Right. So, like I said, did that project a few years ago. Now we're adding on to it just a walkway and some lighting. This beautiful wildflower garden was not here the last time I've been to this property. It looks absolutely amazing. Show you some more footage of the work getting done and the finish right here.
Flashback. End of flashback.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Alright, looks like they just wrapped up here this morning. Let's go check the replay, how this bad boy got built.
We gon' take you back in the
A little while later.
Hey there! Alright, so we're out at a house in Lititz right now, building a pathway to this man's home office, which is this building right here. So far, we've got all of our pieces laid out. It's looking pretty good. They wanted a slightly irregular pattern with bigger joints, as you can see. That's what we did, 3 or 4 inches. Yeah, so we're getting ready to put everything in place with some rice and some dirt. There's Matt. It's coming along. All we've got is these 2 pieces set, but it'll be done soon.
Just like that, folks. She's a wrap. Check you on the next one.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.